Police officers who have arrested other police officers. What happened? It was supposed to be a routine traffic stop. I pulled the guy over for speed. License plate was half covered, tinted windows. As I approached the car, he rolled down the window and my heart dropped. It was Officer Mitchell from our own department. I kept it professional. Asked why he was out of his jurisdiction. He looked me dead in the eyes and said, "You don't want to do this." But the smell of alcohol hit before I finished the sentence. I arrested him, booked him myself. The whole station went silent when I walked him in. Later that night, he called me, not to apologize, but to warn me, "You just made a powerful enemy." I hung up, but now I check my tires before every drive, and I never sit with my back to the door.